Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and for today's video guys, we will do another unboxing and we'll do GoPro Max unboxing.
GoPro Max unboxing. Okay, so we open up the box. And then we have the camera. It sits on top. And you flip this little thing up. Squeeze and it slides off. That's the camera itself, and I'll set it down for the moment. See what else is in the box. Open up the box. It's got some paperwork, some warnings and notice and questions, and then a little GoPro and a product safety manual. So we'll put these right here. Oh, and it looks like there's some kind of a promotion, and then just a quick start guide about how to get it out and off and attached. Additionally, inside the box, there is a carrying case, a small carrying case, and then also an attachment. But this is where it attaches on, and you can glue this down. There's adhesive, so that would be attached somewhere, your vehicle or something else. And then there's the charging cord, which is a USB that charges. I'll be showing you how that works. And then the battery that goes inside of the camera. So that's all the items that were in the box itself. Again, the GoPro Max. And all these things came within the box. Show the other things first, or also that we ordered along is an extra battery and a dual battery charger. This one I'll show you how it works, but you can charge the battery while it's in the camera, or with this one you plug this in and you can charge two batteries at one time. So it comes also with a USB type cord, and then the charging item itself, batteries go in there, and then you plug this in to this side. That goes into any kind of a standard USB receptacle. So that's the battery charger. And finally, also additionally, they do have this carrying case, but we wanted to get a hard carrying case that's a little bit more protective. So I ordered this for my beautiful spouse, for her to do her vlogging, and also when we go on vacation and things like that, we can carry this along. And it's a nice carrying case that has little slots that you can change. It's Velcro. You can change the size of these, put batteries or lens covers, put the camera in there, the charging case, whatever you want. You know, it's basically up to you what you want to put in it. But it was a nice little GoPro. So all these things we got ordered up. Hi guys.
Hi guys, good morning. We are using now our GoPro Max
For the first time.
for the first time, guys. I'm not sure if clear. I'm not sure if it goes clear to my iPad when we edit the videos. We'll see, right? Because this will be our first time using it.
Yeah.
And say, would you like to say good morning, Baba?
Good morning!
How about you, Liam?
Good morning!
Hey, look at the birdie. Look at right in our driveway.
Oh,
See, birdie?
there's plenty.
Oops.
So it's okay. Oh, I'm looking for my sunglasses. So guys, ano kami? This will be our first time to go out for breakfast or brunch, and with Liam and with Baba. Normally we didn't go out, guys, because oh, what happened?
Oh, did the battery die?
I think so. Highlight added. Yeah, I think it's still moving. So this will be our first time to go out for brunch. Baba, hopefully they will be behaving, right? Are you gonna be behaving later, guys?
I will behave.
Okay, and please be good, okay?
I will behave.
Yeah, and this will be our first time to go out, eat outside, or eat to the restaurant after the quarantine, right? So we'll see how it looks like in the restaurant.
If we can get in, I don't
Yeah.
know if they have limited seating or maybe no one's going out. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it is. We haven't really sat down to eat anywhere. We'll see.
Excited. It's been a while, like 3 months or...
At least. Well, probably been longer than that since we went to eat at a restaurant.
Hi, Baba.
Alright guys,
You being good?
Oh, here we go.
this is for them. There's an
Okay.
extra plate underneath.
Oh, okay, thank
'cause
you.
I don't know if you guys want to like split it apart.
Yeah, thank you.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Careful, it's hot.
Okay.
And this is for you, love.
Thank you.
Of course. Anything I can grab you guys? Salt, pepper, Tabasco.
Tabasco, please.
Tabasco.
And pepper. Do you want salt?
No, I'm fine.
Just pepper and Tabasco.
Look at that, guys.
Huh?
Look at
You don't want a pancake?
I still want a pancake. Is this syrup?
Yeah. Here, do you want some for... Does Liam want a pancake?
You want some pancakes, Lily?
Is this actually
Here,
syrup?
please.
Here, wait. Those are hot.
Look at
You want butter on it? Maybe we need another
Yeah.
syrup. Can we get one more syrup?
So we're going, Daddy.
We're gonna go to that home store.
Okay, we are going to home. I don't know.
Well, I forgot what it's called.
Yes. So
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
We're gonna go inside the store and look at some things.
yeah.
Flower.
Flour? Oh,
Why not flower?
that's not a flower? We're gonna go in.
Just wait, you know.
Whoa!
Oh, they have their big pots here.
I'm going shy.
Go inside?
Yeah!
So this is what we got, the guys. It's home
Home decor. At home. It's
decor
called
at home. We got pots
One
for
big
our
pot,
roses,
2 big pot for the front, 1 big pot for the back.
and they are on sale, right?
On sale, 40% off. You got Lee.
And this is all for outdoor stuff.
One for the backyard.
Yeah, and
You
that's
got
for
Lee.
the backyard.
This one, someone will steal it.
And we got some stuff here too
Got some pillows. 2
outside.
beach towels for outside. And pillows, 3 big pillows for outside.
That's
All for
it. They are until
$100.
110. Okay, not bad.
Yep.
So these are the roses, guys, that we're planning to plant it here, put it here. So yeah, let's go, Lily.
Okay.
Get inside. You put that one to the garden, Lily. Ah, that's for Baba, right?
Hi guys, we're doing a race.
How about you, Liam? Okay.
Say hi, guys. Okay, you gonna swim?
1,
Yes.
2, 3, go! Okay. Come back. 1,
Good job.
2, 3, oh! Good job, Baba. Oh, Baba won. How about you, Liam? Where's your shin float, Baba? Liam?
Look at it, Liam.
Okay. Come on, keep doing.
Where's your ring? Show us your ring.
Yeah.
Wait.
Here, do you want the ring?
But how about swimming in your back ba?
Show a jump, show a big splash. Bubba. Bubba, show a big splash.
Wow. Yeah.
You have to show them how you make a big splash when you jump in.
Morning guys, we are going to go for a walk.
Hi guys. Hi.
Well, let's go.
Hi.
Hi guys. Oh, no running. No running, Liam.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
Hold Liam's hand, Baba.
Where are we going?
This way. Come on, go straight.
Where are we trying to go? Mom, where are we trying to go?
We're trying to find a So dito sa lugar namin guys, i-share ito dito guys.